In this lesson, we'll dive into the Color Transfer Neural Filter, an AI-powered tool in Photoshop that lets you take the color palette and tone from one image and apply it to another with ease. Whether you're creating mood-consistent photo sets, matching colors between images, or simply giving your photo a dramatic color shift, this filter can save you hours of manual color grading. We're going to change the overall color mood of this image by transferring the color palette from this photo. Now, let's open the Color Transfer Neural Filter. Here, you'll see two categories, Preset and Custom. In the Preset section, you'll find several predefined color styles that you can instantly apply. And in the Custom section, you can use your own reference image to transfer its color tones to another photo. Let's start with the Custom option. Now select your reference image. Photoshop will automatically transfer the colors from that photo onto your current image. Take a look at the before and after. It already looks much better. Let's fine-tune it a bit more using the sliders. If you tick Preserve Luminance, Photoshop keeps the original brightness of your target image while applying the new color palette. This helps avoid unwanted exposure shifts. The Color Strength slider controls how strongly the reference palette is applied to your image. Saturation adjusts how vivid or muted the colors appear. Hue lets you shift the overall color tone slightly without replacing the entire palette. You can also adjust the brightness to better balance the lighting between both images. I think in this case, we should untick Preserve Luminance. It gives a more natural and evenly blended look. You can also switch between RGB channels if you want more control over color matching. Adjust the settings until you're satisfied and then click OK. Now check the before and after again. The result looks beautiful and well balanced. Next, let me show you an example using the preset styles. Here, you can choose any color theme you like and apply it directly to your image. Let's try this one. See how the overall tone changes instantly. You can still tweak the sliders to refine the result for a perfect match. Now let's try another preset and adjust the sliders again to see how it transforms the look and feel of the photo. Experiment with different presets and adjustments. Each one gives your image a completely different mood and color harmony. And the Color Transfer Neural Filter in Photoshop is a fast and powerful way to copy the color style of one image and apply it to another. Remember, while the AI does the heavy lifting, your creative choices, reference image, slider values, masking, make the difference between a fun experiment and a polished professional result. So go ahead, try matching the mood of your favorite film still, give your photo a dramatic color shift, or unify a series of images with one palette.